Hello guys, my name is David. I'm from Momax Marble and Granite. Today we're going to learn how to apply sealer to your granite countertops. So first things first is you want to clear off anything that you got on your countertops. So obviously you'll need to be taking off, coffee makers, any decorations that you have laying around. You want to take those away. And then you'll start using either some cleaner. We're going to be using the revitalizer Stone Tech, and then we're going to just clean it off as much as possible, take off any debris, any dust, and we shall clean it off with a rag or a paper towel, whatever you have available. You just clean it up as much as you can. Make sure you get any crumbs that may be around, dust, and you can do the sides. This revitalizer, we're using the Stone Tech Bulletproof. And I'll shake it up a little bit. And you'll just apply it liberally to the countertop. You just pour it all the way around. Then use rag, paper towel to spread it. And you just spread it all the way around liberally. Make sure all the sides get it, including the edges. We'll just do that all the way around. Make sure you get all the spots. Typically, once you do that, you'll want to let the sealer stay in there for about 20 to 30 minutes, just so it can fully soak it up and properly seal it.
20 minutes later.
After that, you'll just remove any excess. Make sure there's not any large puddles or anything like that. You'll probably also be cleaning it. After that, you may get a little bit of a haze on the top layer, so you'll probably just get regular cleaner, a little household cleaner, or use revitalizer, and just to clean off any haze. And if the stone, sometimes you'll be able to apply 2 coats. But the second coat, you'll do the same process. You just pour it liberally and just let it dry for about 20-30 minutes. You guys should be good for about 3 to 5 years. Depending on the color. Darker colors, they last more towards the 5 years, and the lighter colors last closer to the 3 years. And that's it, guys. Hope you learned. And then we'll insert a cheesy thing.
Do it, David, do it.
No, I can't do it. My soul is saying, dude, don't do that. Don't say that.
Give us a rock solid like on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.